You gotta flap faster. Hey, there's that car again.
Show me your bag!
Now your turn!
Your turn!
Your turn!
Don't put that online.
Too late. It's live, motherfucker.
Oh man. Show my boobs. Show me your booty. She had that weird look again.
Oh, you got a helmet on top. Wanna go? All right. Was it that same guy?
Where'd my phone go? Fuck. Oh, wait. Let's figure out if Dad's out here.
Here she comes.
I get to smoke you. Carney and the Carney and the
White zone?
yeah.
At the corner with all the cops?
All the cops.
What's up, my ninja?
This is a 264 horsepower car right there. They roll around there for do everything, right? Take some money to build that. You know, as far as left or right? Left.
Red, white.
I have a duster at my house right now like that. That's a dark, but well, no, actually it's a duster. Yeah, but it was dark. Yeah, there's one of them at my house right now. No motor, no transmission. Bye, girls. They thought we were hitting on them.
You got headlights on top of your hood. Nope, not the air out bag.
Him, he raised.
No, not him.
Yeah.
No? Oh, there they are. They're both.
Where?
They were back there doing it.
Oh, I'm looking for Dad.
Oh.
There's a cup on his, that's a cup.
What? Oh, how's the hat? I'd seen that Lamborghini somewhere on Chestnut in a parking lot.
In a lot of parkings.
Oh, he's got a big tablet. He's playing hard on it too. He's got a big tablet. He's playing hard on it. Look at there's a
Supercharger.
skeleton.
It's got a supercharger sitting on it. What?
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there's Miranda.
Did I just do that? Did I just
Or your
forget the
dad.
melody? I don't know.